Hi children, so we'll practice few balancing asanas today. Feet together, Bhujangasana, hands by the sides of your shoulders. Breathe in into Bhujangasana. Breathe out, Shashankasana. From here, keep your hands fixed, straight hands, fixed hands. Go as low as possible, slide towards the mat into Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana. Hands will remain fixed. Breathe out, Shashankasana. Breathe in, Bhujangasana. Breathe out, Shashankasana. Breathe in, Bhujangasana. Breathe out, Shashankasana. Relax in Shashankasana. Come upon your knees. Ushtasana. You can keep your toes either turned inside or outside. Both the ways are right. Okay? Ushtasana. Holding your ankles or your heels. Turn your hands. Hold your ankles or your heels. Open your chest. Hip forward. Relax your breath. Relax your body. Breathe in center. We'll do this one more time. Okay? So next time try to push your hip little more further. Open your chest and relax in the pose. Okay? Once again, Ushtasana, camel pose. Don't sink. Lift yourself up. Very nice. Hold. You can stretch your one hand up also. Very good, Shika. If you're not able to hold your ankles, yeah, very good. And center. Relax in Shashankasana. Come back in center. Legs in front. Lie down on your back. Bridge pose. Setu Bandhasana. Bend both the legs. Bridge pose. Hold your ankles. Up. Chin to your chest. Keep your feet strong. Keep your feet strong and pressed in the floor. Hold beta. Hold for 5 deep breaths. 1, pat seedhe 2, wonderful. If you're not able to hold your ankles, you can also interlock your hands behind your back. 3, Krish, interlock your hands. 4, Reshma, hip up. 5, center, relax. Shavasana. Now we will practice Chakrasana. Hands on the sides. You will not take the whole body weight on your hands. Your weight has to be distributed between your hands and legs. Okay? Bend both the legs. Breathe out and slowly lift yourself up. Yes, go up, beta. Yes. Hold, beta. Relax your breath. And hold it there. Wonderful. Press the floor away from you. Slowly relax yourself. We'll do this one more time. Once again, shift the weight between your hands and legs. Press your hands and legs into the floor. Relax your breath. Be mindful about this pose. Very good. Wonderful. Okay? Lie down. Once again, hands by the sides. Open your chest. Lift yourself up. Breathe in and up. Hold beta. Be stable. Be strong. You can do it. Ritik, be strong, beta. Try to straighten your hands. And center. Lovely children. Relax. One forward bend is always compulsory after deep back bends. Okay? So we'll do Paschimottanasana. Stretch your legs in front. Flex your feet. Stretch your hands up. Breathe out. Bend forward. Try to look at the tip of your toes and hold. Hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, feet together, Sana. 3, straight legs. 4, 5. Relax. Bend your right leg. Place your right foot across your left knee. Turn your body on the right side. Stretch your left hand up. Push your right knee with your left elbow. Turn your waist on the right side. Look over your right shoulder. Breathe in center. Once again, we'll do this on the same side. Hold. Once again, same leg. Stretch your left hand up. Breathe out, bend forward. Hold your ankle or your foot. Open your chest, don't close it. Look over your shoulder. Matsyendrasana. Center. Change your leg. Stretch your right hand up. Breathe out, turn from your waist. Hold your foot. Back will remain straight. So bring your hand closer to your body. Still more. Now look over your shoulder. Kritik, you also bring your hand closer to your body. Hand closer to your body. Kritik also, and you also. Center. Once again, same leg. Turn, breathe out, hold, and then don't hold your breath. Normal breathing. Look at Bhaiya. How is he doing? Hold it here. Look over your shoulder. And center. Relax, children. Sit in Padmasana or Vajrasana or Sukhasana, whichever is comfortable. We'll do 5 rounds of Brahmari Pranayam. Okay? So, close your eyes with the 3 fingers. Thumb, close your ears with your thumb. While doing Brahmari Pranayam, it's a bee humming sound. So, you all will go according to your own rhythm. Okay? You will not copy anybody's. Somebody has to stretch long, you can stretch long. So, it will be like okay? Relax after finishing your 5 rounds. Clear, beta? Close your eyes and your ears. Back should remain straight. Brahmari Pranayam. Start 5 rounds. Take a deep breath. Keep your eyes closed. Back straight. Hands on your knees. We'll chant Omkar 3 times, followed by Gayatri Mantra. Head straight. Take a deep breath. तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Rub your palms. Massage your face and your neck. Thank you.